Hello, that's an airplane. Say hello, Grandma, Grandpa. We're at the airport and we're early, so I'm playing. I'm playing. That's a slide. Oh, no, that's a stretch. You like the slide, Emily? Are you gonna go again? Okay, go again. Go again. Go. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, again. That's the story of my life. Again. Uno, dos, y tres. That's your socks. No, we have to keep your socks on or you can't play. It's up to you. If you want to keep playing, you gotta keep those socks on.
Oh, honey, come here. We're supposed to take our shoes off. Okay, take your boots off and put in a little cubby hole. See the cubby hole? Take your boots off.